So in the previous lecture we have discussed about what are the advantages, what is the applications of this electrical, what is interconnection means, what is meant by load curve and all these things. Okay, importance of electrical power. Okay, why electrical power is important to us, what are the various conversion in which we can convert the electrical energy into various other forms of energy, what are the applications, and finally we come to know that electrical energy is very important for the human being. Okay, we are now totally dependent on the electricity, either by some means directly or indirectly. Now today we are going to discuss what is meant by load curve. Okay, so what is the load curve? So before going for the load curve, we will discuss just thing. First thing is what load curve is a variation of load with time on power station. What is basically load curve? Load curve is a variation of load with time on a power station. Okay, so when you are going to say it is the variation of load, now why the load is going to be vary? So if you are going to consider the simple example, in your home there are so many electrical appliances. Those appliances you are not using all the times. All the appliances are not on 24 by 7. Some appliances are used only for particular period of time. Say lamp. In our home there are number of lamps are there. So when you are going to use that lamps, you are going to use those lamps during low light conditions only. Low light condition means what? When there is a less amount of light is available, that is during evening, during night or early morning, we are going to use the lamps. Okay, when at the afternoon most of the lamps are off. In the same manner, your load geyser also, you are not continuously using the geyser or heater. The geyser or heater is on during morning only. Okay, so during morning time only we are going to use the geyser only. Now this geyser, the geyser can be used only during the morning or during evening something. Okay, so that means what? You are not continuously using all the loads which is present at your home. Now this load is variable load. Say in your home whatever the load you are going to use, your neighbor is not going to use the exact load at that time. So what happened? My load is going to be continuously vary. Sometimes you have switch on some fans, sometimes you have switch off some fans or equipments, electrical equipments. So that will causes the fluctuation. So there is always variation of the load on the power station. As the load on the power station never remains constant, rather it varies time to time. This variation is load is plotted on half hourly or hourly basis for the whole day. The curve obtained is known as daily load curve. And when you are going to just change this load, so this is my load curve, so this one is my load. Okay, and this is my time. So when I am going to plot the graph between load and point, say this is 6 o'clock, then this one is 6 o'clock, then this is 10 o'clock. Okay, then this one is say 2 o'clock, then this one is say again 6 o'clock, then again it is 10. Okay, then after 10 again it is uh, say it is 4 o'clock, and then again it is 6 o'clock, just like someone is so here it is 2 o'clock, then it is again 6 o'clock, like that. Now this is 6 a.m. in the morning, and this is again 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so this is my 6 p.m. over there. Now when I am going to plot, say this is my load, this is 10, 20, 30, 40. Say if I am going to say it at 6 a.m. my load is somewhat here 15, then at 10 it should be over here, at 2 it should be nearly over here, then at 6 it should be maximum over here, 6 to 10 it should be maximum, again it will decreases. Okay, these are the points. So when I am going to join these points, I will get such type of curve somewhere, and this curve is called as the load curve. Okay, whatever the curve you are getting is called as the load curve, and this load is called as the peak load. This is my peak load, maximum load, okay, or maximum demand. So and this average of this one, the minimum load on the system anytime, this is called as the base load. Okay, this is the minimum load which will exist on the system at any point of time, which is exist on the power station at any point of time, is called as the base load. Okay, so this is the minimum load which is continuously, or this is the minimum power which is continuously required, which is continuously generated by the system throughout the day. Okay, so when I'm going to draw such type of graph, then it is called as the daily load curve. Is it clear? So in daily load curve, what I am going to do, I will plot a graph between the load available or load present at that instant of time. Okay, so for that purpose you are going to mark some point on the particular xy coordinates, and then we are going to join those points with the help of some line. Okay, and what finally you are getting one curve over there. That curve is called as the daily load curve. So if you are going to draw it on the weekly basis, say instead of this one, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so it is called as the weekly load curve. When you are going to draw on the basis of months, day, 1 2 3 4 up to 31, so it is called as the monthly load curve. So these are the load curves, maybe daily load curve, weekly load curve, monthly load curve, annual load curve, like this one. A load profile will vary according to the customer type. Now how this load profile will vary? So load profile will vary according to the types of customer. Basically there are three types of customers. First one is your residential customer, second one is your commercial customer, and third one is your industrial customer. Now, residential customers are also called as the domestic customer. Now, domestic customers means our home. Okay. So आपले घर वगैरे हे कशामध्ये येतात, रेसिडेन्शियल किंवा डोमेस्टिक कस्टमर मध्ये. मग यांच्यामध्ये लोड काय असतो नॉर्मली? रेसिडेन्शियल लोड जर असेल ना, तर हा नॉर्मली लाइटनिंग लोड जास्त असतो. ओके, लाइटनिंग लोड मध्ये काय असणार आहे तुमची, नंबर ऑफ लाइट्स, फॅन्स, स्विचेस, लाईक दिस वन. ओके, देन सेकंड टाइप ऑफ लोड इज युअर कमर्शियल लोड. इन कमर्शियल लोड, school, colleges, offices, bank, shopping malls, this comes under the commercial load. Okay, and third one is your industrial loads. So small industries or large industries, that comes under these industrial loads. So in which the load is maximum load is your power load, and basically most of the industries have motors. So here my load is power load. Lightning load is less over here in case of industry, and power load is more over here. Now these motors are sometimes switch on and off. Okay, and in some industries the motors are working 24/7 also. So basically what happened, depending on the type of customers, as there are three types of customer: residential customer, commercial customer, industrial customer. So the load profile will also vary based on the type of customers over there. Then temperature. Okay, then temperature also. Now during rainy season or during winter season, basically what happens, during rainy season there is already a moisture in the air, so we don't require fan or air conditioner. Okay, but during summer the temperature is too high. Temperature may reaches up to 36, 40, 45, 46 also. So at that time you are going to on maximum fans, air conditioner, coolers, all these things. So temperature also changes the pattern of the consumption, power consumption. So when during winter what happen, our fans are not on, but at that time some persons may uses the room heater. Okay, at that time you are going to use the geysers in the morning and evening. So the temperature also affects the load profile during holiday also. So during Diwali, what happened, we are going to use a lot of lightning load. Lot of lightning load means what over there, so we are going to use the lightning series वगैरे असतं lightningच्या, त्या यूज करतो. आणि बरेचसे इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायन्सेस आपण एक. सो हॉलिडे ऑल्सो ड्युरिंग गणेश फेस्टिवल, ड्युरिंग नवरात्री, where the load pattern, where load profile will change. So holiday also affect the load profile, temperature also affect the load profile, and customer type also affects the load profile. So basically there are three types of customer: residential, commercial, and industrial. Apart from this, the customers are again categorized into agriculture customer, municipal customers. Okay, So customer types are, apart from residential, commercial, industrial, there are two types of, or two to three types of other types also. One is the agriculture customers. If you are going to see, in case of agriculture customers also, the load profile will vary. During monsoon, the agriculture customers load is minimum, but during summer, when there is a low waters, means irrigations requirements are high, at that time the agriculture load will increases. Your municipal load also increases during the evening time, because municipal load consists of your street lights, as well as it consists of the water pumping system. So during night hours or during the evening, these two loads are high. Okay, so it basically depends on this one. So third one is your railways, but that can be considered as a transportation load, is a total different load that we are not going to consider over here. So load profile will continuously vary. My load on the system is continuously changing one. Some machines are going on, some machines are going off. If you are going to consider the case of your home only, तुमच्या घरामध्ये 4 रूम असतील, तर 4 रूम मध्ये आपण दिवसाभरात कितीतरी वेगवेगळ्या वेळेस number of persons are going to on and off the different appliances, and when you are going to on and off the appliances, the load on the your home, load of your home also changes. आणि असे एका सबस्टेशनला कमीत कमी ओके जवळपास 700 800 1000 1200 1500 कस्टमर्स असतात कनेक्ट टू द सिंगल ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ओके ऑफ द सबस्टेशन. So that load on that substation also varies, and when the load on the substation is also vary, that substation, such type of substations are connected to the power generating station. So cumulative load of your is on the power station is going to be vary over there. So my load profile on the system is changing one. So what the load curve will give? Load curve is a variation of load with time on the power station. So on power station, basically it will start with your home. It will start with the type of customers, and then it will gradually goes to the power station. Okay, so is it clear? Shraddha Pawar, Shraddha Sarwar, Kalyani Borkhede.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the types of customers? Customer चे types. Customer types. Okay, what are the types of customers? Different types of customers that we have discussed, and how that customer types will affect the load profile. Okay, instead of typing, it will take the time. You can simply just unmute yourself and speak. Harshad Gaikwad, Anuj Raut, Aditya Kajade. Okay, so do you understand what exactly load curve? Load curve is a variation of load that is plotted with respect to time. Okay, so load curve is plotted with respect to time. Okay, so basically this is load curve. If you are going to see, this is my load. Okay, and this is the time in hours from 0 to 24. So in one day there are 24 hours. So I have plotted my load with respect to time. My time is on x-axis and my load is on y-axis. So on x-axis, what is my time? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, like this one. And on the y-axis, I have taken the load. Now, if you are going to observe, during the morning, okay, during midnight, रात्री 12 वाजतापासून सकाळी 6 पर्यंत आपला लोड काय असतो? कमी असतो. म्हणून इथे काय आलेलं आहे? तुमचा लोड कमी दाखवलेला आहे. सकाळी 6 नंतर तुमचा लोड इन्क्रीज व्हायला सुरुवात होते. Okay, so it will gradually increases. When my load will gradually increases, I can show that load increase in the load with this one. Okay, here my load will gradually increases. Then at 8 to 12, my load is almost constant. Okay, so it is this one. Again during afternoon, so if it is the commercial load or like this one, so during afternoon the office hours, air conditioner, everything is going on, and then again at the night it is going to be reduces. Okay, so this is the plot of load with respect to time, and that plot of load with respect to time is called as load curve. Okay, so either you can draw the load curve like this one, or you can draw like this one. Okay, in this what happened, we have drawn the points and we are going to connect the point by using the freehand drawing. So both things are same. Okay, now when you are going to draw, we can just convert that load into three parts. One is my base load, second is the average load, and third one is the maximum load. Okay, so is it visible to you? The third diagram is visible to you, in which we have shown three types of load: base load, average load, and maximum load. What is with Mr. Aditya Kazade? What is meant by base load? What is the difference between the base load and average load? बेस लोड म्हणजे काय त्यामध्ये? श्रीराम काकडे, सार्थक नाईक. What is base load? What is base load over here? Okay, base load means the load which is always there. बेस लोड म्हणजे काय? आता तुम्ही या ग्राफ मध्ये जर बघितलं तर हा लोड आहे ना तुमच्या सिस्टीम मध्ये, दिस इज द लोड विच इज ऑलवेज अवेलेबल. ओके, दिस लोड इज ऑलवेज अवेलेबल ऑन द सिस्टीम इरिस्पेक्टिव्ह ऑफ द टाइम. ओके, हा तुमचा 5 चा जो लोड आहे हा 24 तास तुमच्या सिस्टीमवर कधी पण अवेलेबल. Okay, so the minimum load which is always on the system is called as your base load. Base load is the minimum load which is always exist on the system, which is always present on the system, is called as your base load. Now, if you are going to just see it, so if the plant which will supply this load is called as the base load power plant. Okay, base load power plant कुठले झाले मग? जे पॉवर प्लांट आहेत जे बेस लोडला कंटिन्यू सप्लाय करतात, एवढे टाइम म्हणजे कमीत कमी एवढे पॉवर प्लांट 24 तास आणि कंटिन्युअसली 365 डेज करता ऑन ठेवायचे, 24/7/365. दोज पॉवर प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड एज द बेस लोड पॉवर प्लांट बिकॉज they are this load is continuously required. Okay, now what is average load? Average load is what? Average load is the average of the load. Average load is the average of the total load which is present on the system for 24 hours. Okay, मग ह्यात सर्व लोडची addition, so we are going to use the integration. Integration you have studied in your first year or second year. In your first year you have studied the integration. Why you have studied the integration? Integration has certain application in electrical engineering. One of the application is that I need to calculate the total load. And if I am going to calculate the total load, integration means what? Addition. We are going to perform the addition. आणि मी प्रत्येक पॉइंट ची addition करत गेलो प्रत्येक सेकंदाला. So it is possible for me. I have to add here, 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 here. Okay. असे सगळे पॉइंट्स जर ऍड करत गेलो मी. So it will a time consuming process for me. So instead of doing that, what I am simply doing, I will take the integration 0 to 24, and then whatever the points PDT. Okay, PDT means your power. Okay, what is the power available at particular period of time? So this is my average load over here. So that will give you the my total load over here, and divided by 24. Divided by 24, that will give you my average load. पूर्ण सिस्टीमचा हे जे आहे ना याच्या खालचा जो एरिया आहे, I need to calculate the area of all these one. Okay, so when I am going to calculate the area of this one, and I am going to take the average of this one, that will give me the average load on my system. So somewhere you are getting average load over here. Okay, so this is my average load. Now what is the maximum load? Maximum load is the highest load which is available on the system at any point of time or at particular point of time. So if you are going to observe at 8 p.m. the load on my system is highest, and that peak point, or it is called as the peak load, or it is also called as maximum load. Maximum load म्हणजे काय की सिस्टीम वरचा सर्वात जास्त लोड कुठल्या एका पॉइंटला. मग इथं संध्याकाळी 8 वाजता तुमच्या सिस्टीमवर सर्वात जास्त लोड आहे आणि त्या लोडला काय म्हटलं जातं? मॅक्झिमम लोड किंवा peak load. Okay, so this is your type of load. So loads are basically categorized into three types: base load, average load, and maximum load. Base load means what? The load which is always available on the system for 24 hours. It is minimum load. Base load is the minimum load which is always available on the system. Maximum load is the, or peak load is the maximum load which is available on the system at any point of, at particular point of time. Okay, and average load is the average of the load. Average load is the average. How you are going to take the average? Okay, we are going to add things. Average calculate करने करता अपन काय करतो? Suppose मला average calculate करायचं आहे. 2 plus 5. Okay, plus 3. So what is the average of 3? So we are going to add divided by 3. Okay, addition of this one divided by 3. So here, so it is 3.33 something. So this is the average. This is my average. So we are going to add all these things. Average load मध्ये काय करतो आपण सगळ्यांची addition करतो आणि divided by number of points ने त्याला divide करतो. So we will get the average of this one. And what is the maximum load? It is the highest load, which is the peak load, which is available on the system at a particular point of time. Okay, so is it clear? Is it clear? Yes or no?